Initial look at the Vogurtime AM/FM radio kit. Good Sunday afternoon to you all, YouTube. It is 1:05 now. I have in front of me the package I received in the mail yesterday. I actually didn't get it out of the box until this morning. Didn't know it was in there. Sometimes I get a note saying something delivered. Sometimes I don't. So you know how the Postal Service is. Anywho, this is the radio kit. If you recall me talking about this, that I was approached via email on doing a review for. Company name is Vogurtime, and like I said, that's what they gave me as far as the name and things like that. I did open the package already on this, but I haven't opened the other package, which is inside, and you can see that there is in fact another envelope containing a kit. Fun project, fun time, Vogurtime. And there's a number or whatever, AM/FM radio kit, new version, made in China. So let's open this up. Just see now on the in the background here. I don't know how well you can see that. But that is the, they had sent this previously before the package arrived. This is the PDF instruction manual, and I want to show you, go through it a little bit here in a minute, and show you what it contains. I think it's a well done manual. And let's open this up real quick. Just get a glimpse at what's inside. And now I'm going to try not to let this get in my way of other projects that I have. Oh, that's nice. Very nice. Put that off out of the side there. We've got a speaker, got some knobs, even a printed manual, which is nice. And all the kit parts. I'm not going to open that right now, but we're going to go look at the PDF here and see if I can. This is what they sent, like I said, Vogurtime AM/FM radio kit instruction manual. And I'm not going to go through everything on it, but just kind of point out some things, if I can. Maybe I have to go this way. Okay, go this way. There's a schematic. So let me see if I can get a good picture of that. Now this is not a complicated kit. It's fairly simple. This is just uses 2 chips for AM and FM, and I think one of them's audio as well. So anyway, that's that. In fact, I'm thinking maybe this is the AM/FM chip, and that's just the IC for audio because it's up here by the speaker. Just guessing, but anyway. Let's go on another page. There you can see the images. Now, like I said, this is on the order of, I'm trying to think, is Elenco? But there's another kit manufacturer that does this type of kit, basically wide open type of installation to where you can get in and test things and show, you know, other things. Very nicely done as far as the color codes, resistors, capacitors. Very nicely done, I think. Really a step above the usual Chinese kits that you get. And again, more pictures, more you know, excellent show, visual, you know, and text too. So that's nice. I like that. That's really nice. Points out that's just really nice. I really like the way they've done this. Reminds me of the BDST. just kidding. They've done a much better job than we've done. So, like I said, that's the whole thing as far as you know, So that's pretty neat. And other things that they have that you might could buy, that's decent. I like it. That's it. But like I said, I wanted to kind of go through that real quick and just show you that it is much better than the normal Chinese kit that you get. This is also not that expensive. I believe this was, if I'm not mistaken, $19 and change. I'll try to put a link up to it and show you what it looks like. And I think for what it is, it's an excellent kit. Again, it's not a full AM/FM radio in the sense that uses discrete components, but it's a good start to me anyway on what a kit should be as far as how it's laid out and things like that. So that's about it. Really don't have too much more on this. I was gonna come in here earlier and start working on mounting my antenna, which I may still do, but I wanted to get this out of the way and show you that it is in fact here. So hopefully I'll get this done pretty quickly. It's not like I said, it's not a lot of soldering to do. It's just really not much to it. But like I said, it's just I think once we get it done and get a video up on it, I think that would be excellent. I'm hoping that it works as good as you always have that kind of thing to go through. Also, it's a nice kit, very good documentation, and that part of it was so far so good is basically what I wanted to say. Like I said, it's just you hope that the end product then turns out as well as what they've done here. So I think it will, because I think it's not a bad looking little kit. Alright, that's going to do me. You guys, I don't normally make videos on Sunday, but I had made one yesterday, and I was going to go see Mom, and they decided not to go, so I didn't get to go, and I'll have to wait until, again, later on when I get my tires done. It'll be this week, this coming week. I think the first is on Thursday, I believe. Thursday or Friday, I can't remember. But anyway, whatever the first is, and that's when I'll go, because I want to go to Walmart that day and get my tires on, and I'll just go on to visit her. So, alright, you guys have a pleasant day. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see ya.